In a world where wishes could be heard, a stork named Seraphina took flight. A symbol of hope, bright and clear. On her back, a twinkling star ignite, guiding the lost through the darkest night. One day, she found a child, all alone, crying beneath the setting sun. With a gentle touch, she took him home, to a place where children had begun. But Seraphina saw his heart was torn, his eyes filled with questions unexplained. She asked him, "What weighs you down, my son?" He sighed and shared his feelings tamed. "I've been told I'm not like the rest, that I'm different, something less, a burden on those who love me best." Seraphina looked at him with great emphasis. "My dear child, it's not you who is flawed, but society's narrow, dull perspective." She told him of the world, vast and broad, where every creature plays a role. Uniqueness is not something to be scorned, but a treasure to be whole. In her wisdom, she taught him to embrace the beauty in his own unique grace. He learned to fly high, without chase, and spread his wings without lace. From that day, both his heart and soul felt the freedom only storks know. He flourished, found his own role, a beacon of hope, just like stork.